Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's English class. Today's class, you are going to learn and practice important mains for periodical test 2. Okay. So, Monday onwards, you have test, no? Periodical test 2. So, dear children, this is your revision of periodical test 2. Okay, you have 1 hour for this exam and marks for 25 marks. Okay, so first main you have learned fill in the blanks, grammar parts. Fill in the blanks with correct singular or plural nouns. So here two options are given here. You have to select one of the option and write in the place, correct place. So next main what you learned. Next main you learned about common gender nouns. Um, circle the common gender nouns in the following sentences. Here circle only the common gender nouns. Okay, for example, here cousin, doctor, teacher, students, artist, these are some of the common gender nouns. Okay, so common gender nouns means common gender nouns refers both male and female gender. Okay, so cousin, doctor, teacher, students and artist, these are the common gender nouns in these sentences. You have to circle on these words. Next, this side here see baby, painter and children. These are also common gender noun, dear children. Next, third main you learnt meanings. Okay, word meanings. So few words are given here. Okay, so that you can learn easily. Okay, but regular school start ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸು ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇನು, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ few words. Okay, some of the words given to practice. Okay, very simple meanings. Learn and practice. Write and practice in your rough book, dear children. And next main what you learned in your previous class, you learned the opposite words. Opposite words, here 15 words are given here. Okay, all 15 words you should learn and practice, write and practice in your rough book, dear children. Okay, next main plurals. Okay, plurals. So plurals words also write neatly. Okay, very easy plural words. Okay, branch ch, last letter ch means you have to add es. Okay, with the singular word. Next, child and children. Child is singular, children ren you have to add with the singular word. Okay, this is irregular form of the plural word. Then all other words you just add yes, dear children, with the singular noun. Here see is, are. Is means for okay, singular. Are means plural. This, these. Okay, so okay children, so this much you have learned in your previous class. Okay, last video I taught you this much. Okay, these many means. Okay, now let's get started today's class. Today's class, dear children, first main is write the rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay, what rhyming words means? What? Same ending sounds. Okay, same ending sounds of the words words are called rhyming words. Okay, for example, here see go, so same ending sound. Okay, same ending sound. Here go is there, here so letters. Okay, letters are different, but the sound, ending sounds are same. Okay, ending sound is same, so that these words, okay, these words are called rhyming words, dear children. For example, here see light, night. Okay, now see pronounce the word correctly. Light night. So same ending sounds, right? So light night. ಲೈಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಪೀಪ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಪೀಪ್. ಗೋ ಸೋ. ಗೋ ಸೋ. ಐ ಸ್ಕೈ. I sky. Here observe this one, dear children. I is there. SKY sky. But letters you can see so much difference are there. Okay, letters are not same. But you can see the sounds. Okay, ending sounds of these words are same, dear children. Next, star are. Gone upon. High sky. Okay, only 8 words are given here. Learn and practice neatly. Okay, without any spelling mistake. You should write and practice in your rough book, dear children. Next main, take the right options. Take the right options. Here I am not given any options. Okay, directly I write the answers. What you should do in question paper, 2 or 3 options will be there. What you should do, you should select the correct answer and write in the correct places, dear children. How to write the answer? First question number you should write, then option. Okay, option bardu amele answer baribeku. Okay, ಈ ಥರ ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬರೀ ಇದು ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಐಲ್ ಕಟ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಕ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಬುಕ್ಕ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಾಟಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಕ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? ಬುಕ್ಕ, ಓಕೆ, Bukka listening to elders, not listening. Okay, here Bukka is not ready to listen to his elders. Okay, elders andre doddavaru iruttaralla, big elephants. Okay, father, mother and big elephants are there, no? So Bukka not ready, did not like to listen to elders. Okay, always he is very naughty and he tortured. Okay, he harassed all the small animals, small creatures. Next one, who did all the animals complain to? All the small animals are there, no, in the forest. Bukka learns a lesson, okay, in that chapter. Who did all the animals complain to? The leader of the elephant herd. So leader, okay, not lead. Okay, the leader of the elephant herd. Here herd means, dear children, group of the animals. Elephant group. Okay, leader group ge, elephant group ge leader irtaralva, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. animals, all the animals, all the small creatures. Okay, because Bukka tortured them. Okay, so that they all the animals decided to complain to the leader of the elephant herd. Next, what does the child feel when he or she sees the little star in the second line of the poem? Second line of the poem, the child see the little star. How the child feels? The feeling of the child is surprised. Okay, how I wonder what you are. Surprise, seeing the star very surprisingly. How you are looking very so beautiful, like that. So surprised, surprised, surprised. Next, when does the star show its light? Now tell me, dear children, when does the star show its light? Okay, in the night time. Okay, so how to say? Here see, after the sun has gone down. Okay, sun ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ವೆನ್ after the sun has gone down. Okay, next. How does the tiny spark of the star help the traveler? Tiny spark, flashing lights. Okay, spark means flashing light. Okay, how it looks. Okay, how it helps to the traveler. Okay, so who are travelers? Travelers means a person who travel, who moves one place to another places. Okay, is called traveler. So how the traveler ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ tiny spark, sparkling, okay, stars, it shows him his path. So the flashing light shows the path of, okay, the path, and the traveler can move one place to another place easily. Okay, so that the traveler move, they can move one place to another place easily. So adu evening night time alli there is no light, no, that time the stars will help them to travel one place to another place. Next, how long does the star stay in the sky? How long does the star stay in the sky? Now tell me. Till the sun is seen in the sky. Till the morning. Simple thing, till the morning. Okay, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸನ್ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋ. Why? Because there is sun. Already sun is there, no? So we cannot see stars in the sky. So how to say this one? Till the sun is seen in the sky. Okay. Next main, write true or false. Write true or false. The young elephants listen to their elders. Write true or false, dear children. True means write true, otherwise write true symbol. False means write false in words, otherwise write false symbol. Okay, wrong symbol. Next, first question, the young elephants listen to their elders. Yes or no? No, not listen to their elders. So this one is wrong. Next, Bukka made friends with the small creatures. Yes or no? No. Bukka don't want to made friends with the small creatures. They are very small creatures. They are not in my level. So they are all very small creatures. No. So Bukka don't want to make friends with them. Next, he breaks. So this one is also wrong. Next, he breaks off branches with a nest. Yes or no? Yes, dear children. Yes, he breaks off branches with a nest. Next, he breaks, okay, and crushes all the small creatures and branches, nest. Okay, so yes, he does not crush snails underfoot. Yes or no? Wrong. He crushed snails under his foot. Next, Bukka starts crying when he does not see his family in the morning. Yes, dear children, he started crying. Why? Because he is very small. Bukka is very small and he feels very alone. So that Bukka starts crying, because Bukka is very small animal, no, small baby elephant. So that he feels very lonely, okay, alone. So Bukka starts crying when he does not see his family, because Bukka, he is standing alone in the bank of the river, and he feels very bad because Bukka is very small animal, very small baby elephant. So that if he felt he felt very afraid. So that what happened? He started crying. My mama is not there, my family is not there. So that what happened? He started crying. Next, answer the following questions. Why do you think The older elephants ask the juniors to check for baby squirrels in the hollows of trees. So, two questions there, dear children. These two questions also very long questions. What you should do? You should write and practice in your notebooks, children. Okay, you are in second standard now. So, answers are very question answers. Answer the following questions is very important main. And if you are learning small answers means it is not useful for upcoming years. So that what you should do, dear children, try to learn okay, long answers. Okay na? Question answers important ಇದೆ futurally. So what you should do, dear children, you should write and practice, okay, 3 or 4 lines, 5 lines answers. Okay, you should try. So the answer is, the older elephants ask the juniors to check for baby squirrels in the hollows of trees so as not to harm them, as the squirrels provide warning in case of a forest fire. Okay, so older elephants warning the juniors ಗೆ warn ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, do not hurt the small animals. Okay, do not hurt small creatures. Why? Because they are very important for us. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ವಾರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡರ್ ಎಲಿಫ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಿರಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಲೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಲೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವಿರಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ದೆಮ್, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ದೇ the squirrels provide warning in case of a forest fire. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡರ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಾರ್ನ್ ದ junior elephants. Now, question number 2, dear children. Why do you think all the animals refuse to help Bukka? Why do you think all the animals in the forest refuse to help Bukka as he harassed all of them by doing exactly what the elders forbade him to do? Okay, all the animals not ready to help to Bukka. Why? Because Bukka tortured all these animals, no, all those animals. So Bukka harassed all of them. Bukka harassed all of them means Bukka tortured all of them, so that all these animals in the forest not ready to help to Bukka. Okay, and not listen to their elders also. Next, what does the poet compare the star to? The poet compares the star to diamond. Okay, diamond. The star, it looks like a diamond. Where is the star, dear children? The star is in the sky. Very simple answer. Okay, next, how does the poet describe the place? The poet described as a place which is high up above the world. Up above the world, so high. So the poet described as a place. The star is in the place high up above the world. High up above the world. Is the speaker clear about what the star is? No. Till the poet had doubt, not clear about what the star is. No, the poet is not clear about what the star is. Still the poet has some confusions. Okay, next, which lines tell you of his or her sense of wonder? Okay, sense of wonder. Wonder means here what, dear children? Surprise. Okay, wonder means surprising. So the line, how I wonder. Okay, something wants to know. Okay, the line, how I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are tells us of his or her sense of wonder. Okay, dear children, so this much is enough for today's class. Okay, So today we have completed this revision, okay, revision portion. Only this much this much is there, dear children. Okay, so learn and practice all these mains. Learn and practice all these mains neatly in your rough book. And all the best for your exam, dear children. Monday onwards you have exam periodical test too. So all the best and do well, dear children. So see you again in the next class, dear children. Any doubt is there means you just call me, otherwise message me. I'll answer for you. And see you again in the next class. Till then, bye, dear children. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy forever. Thank you so much, dear children.